Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Today we are going to see about how can gain or reach subscribers to our own channel. There are many ways to reach the audience. Today we are going to see about keywords. What is keywords? Keywords are the words and phrases that people type into search engines to find what they are looking for. So keep in your mind, using keywords will make your content to reach more people when they search related to it. Let's see how can we do it. Open your YouTube channel. Then go to YouTube Studio page. You can see the settings option in the left corner. There you can see the channel option. And you can see blank place to fill keywords. Fill the keywords which you want to. You can set around 50 keywords. So use keywords related to your channel. This can help your channel's videos to reach people easily according to their search keywords. You can set around 50 keywords. After setting up the keywords, save it and check once. Thank you for watching our video. Do like and subscribe if you like our video.